So now we want our students to discuss a topic. But before we can put up a topic, we need to have a forum where they can put the topic in. And before we need a forum, we have to have a category to place the forum. So that's where we're going to start and just really quickly show you how to create your category, because that's where everything else will flow from. So first, we need to go over to the discussion and private messages section. And once we get there, of all the commands at the top on the far right is one called manage, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be managing our discussions. After we click that, the screen opens up to some different options, but it opens up to the manage forum screen because that's where most of the work is usually done. But before we have a forum, we need to create a category. So we select manage categories, and we see the two categories we have now, a coffee house and main discussions, but we want to add another one. So of these options up here, we're going to select add. Here we can go ahead and create a name, and we're going to call it final discussions. And you can see I've already had that once before. And enable grading by category, yes, we're going to do that because we're going to have maybe 2 or 3 forums underneath that, and we only want one grade in the grade book. We're going to give it 20 points. How many posts are we going to require? Well, we're going to have a requirement of 3 posts. By doing that, the student won't receive a green check on the course map until they've done all 3 posts. We're going to send it to the grade book. We now have the option of opening and closing it, and so we're going to go ahead and open it, and we're going to open it today, which I'm making this on May 23rd. We'll go ahead and click that, and we're going to leave it open for a week, Sunday, June 2nd. If we wanted to give them a grace period, we would allow until, but we're going to end it at that time. By selecting Save, we now have a category called Final Discussions.